Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you? And I'm fine. So today I'm going to tell you the command about of view. It's not a command, but these are the view of these are the different view of Sketchup. Okay, and we are going to talk about the shadow. Okay, first we are going to talk about the views. For example, if I draw a rectangle, so this should so like if you wanted to see the rectangle as the way you want, you're going to use the command. You can say the view one. If you wanted to if you want to see this rectangle or any picture in the isometric, this is the isometric view, and this is the top view, this is the front view, this is the right view, this is the back view, and this is the left view. These are the different views in SketchUp. It's like you can say advantage is that if you wanted to see every project or drawing on the way you like, or in the different different style or different view, you can use the view part, and you can have it. And this first you're going to click in the view part, and then you're going to click on the toolbars. So there will be this the second last when you go to the toolbars, this is the second last command. You have to click. See if I click it again, there isn't any views, and if you click it again, the views will appear again. So now we're going to talk about shadow. Okay, the simple shadow, the shadows. Every one of you knows that what a shadow is. A shadow is everyone knows that what's a shadow. What is a shadow? It's difficult to explain, so sorry. So if you click on this shadow, see this curve has this shadow. It's making the SketchUp more realistic. If you click on it again, it doesn't look like very realistic. So if you click on the view shadow part, so it will have a shadow which makes SketchUp more realistic. And so you will be talking about that. You're thinking about that. What does this do? Actually, these are the months. See, this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. In the months, our shadow looks like some shadow. In these specific months, the shadows are if in the colder months, for example, December, November, October, January, or February, these 5 months, the shadow is bigger. And in March, April, May, June, July, August, and September, in these the shadows are short. But in June and July and August, the shadow is very short. So you're thinking about that what this is. So it's a type. It's a type of these are the time which control. This is a time which control the movement of the shadow. See, in the noon the shadow is in the middle. In the PM You see, in the PM the shadow is towards the right side, and in the AM the shadow is towards the left side. So where the sun is in its direction, in the sun's direction, the shadow will go. So viewers, this is the end of our video, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel.